Hi, I'm Jarrod McGregor and Beef and Lamb Ambassador from 2019. Today we're going to do a shared platter of beef tomahawk served with a anchovy, garlic and green peppercorn, butter, and just a nice salad, kale and ponzu tossed greens on the side. So here we're just dicing up some room temperature butter. That's mixed with some minced anchovies, green peppercorns and freeze-dried garlic, and then we roll it into a cylinder in Glad wrap and finish it in tin foil, tighten the ends so it's nice and tight and doesn't have any air bubbles through it. Serving the tomahawk steak with a ponzu tossed kale and broccolini salad. Ponzu is great for summer, it's light and citrusy, little bit of umami through there. So here we place all the ingredients together, weigh them out. You've got ginger, mandarins, anchovies and stuff. There we're using kombu sheets, just adds a bit of saltiness and umami to the ponzu. We let that slowly come to a simmer, just to dissolve the palm sugar, let all the flavours intensify. The longer that you leave ponzu with all the ingredients in it, picks up all those flavours and becomes a lot nicer and stronger. Let it simmer away for a couple of minutes and then just set it aside. So here we took the tomahawk, cleaned the bone up a little bit. On the outside of the tomahawk we just rubbed it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and lots of flaky sea salt to kind of create a barrier for when you're going on the grill, so it helps it not stick. So your grill, when you're cooking the tomahawk, you probably want it to be as hot as you can get it. Create some nice bar marks on that, maybe about let's say 6 minutes on each side, and then into the oven, and you get, for a 500 gram tomahawk, you're probably looking at approximately 10 minutes in the oven, 5 minutes on each side, with about a 10-minute resting time. Here we took green kale and red kale, just pulled it apart by hand, chopped the broccolini up a little bit, just so it's more manageable, and that we tossed in a little bit of olive oil and then deglaze the hot pan with ponzu and a little bit of sesame seed. We let that cook out a little bit, let it braise down till it's nice and soft, and then just serve that simply as is. So here we cut the discs of butter into about 3 to 4 centimetres thick. We want it nice and thick, more butter the better on beef. And once you finish that, once the tomahawk is sliced and you're ready to serve it, put the butter on top and melt it slowly with a blowtorch. Help that butter sort of melt down into the beef. Beef and red meat in general needs that salty umami flavour, helps bring the sort of caramelisation of the meat out, and more of a beefy sort of flavour. To serve this, we cut the beef, we place it on the board, we put the butter on top of the meat, and we then blowtorch the butter so it's slowly sinking down into the beef. We then serve that on the board with the ponzu tossed greens. We garnish that with some nasturtium flowers and some onion weed flowers. Shared platters are great, especially moving into summer when you're going to be busier. Diners are trending more toward enjoying that shared sort of experience. It's good in terms of service point of view. It's nice, quick and easy, rather than a table of 6 or ordering 6 different plates. It's easier in the kitchen and it takes that pressure off. Just make sure that your front of house recommends sides.